Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide who you follow on X, formerly known as Twitter. Let's get started. First, locate the X app on your phone and tap on it to open. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This will bring up a sidebar with various options. Now scroll down to the bottom of this sidebar and tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety to adjust how your information is shared on X. From here, select Audience and Tagging. You'll see a couple of options. Toggle on the first option to lock your profile. Once you do this, only your current followers will be able to see who you follow and what you post. You can also toggle the second option to prevent people from downloading your shared videos via posts or DMs. This adds an extra layer of privacy, and that's how you hide who you follow on X, Twitter. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.